Boortmalt has a clear commitment towards sustainability. Our objective is to reduce our carbon footprint by 50% by 2030. Peating is a very traditional process that's carried out in Scotland. It's unique to Scotland and also to Ireland because we produce peated malt whiskies in both countries. We don't want to have an impact on that tradition, we want to enhance it. Today it is carried out where we burn the peat and the smoke is introduced into the kilning process. That smoke then imparts the flavour on the malt, which we then sell to our customers and they make into obviously Scotch whisky or Irish whisky. It can be a very intense process in relation to the amount of phenols, the phenolic compounds which give it that smoky flavour. Only a small proportion of that adheres onto the grain during that process. The bulk of that smoke, or the bulk of those phenols, are released into atmosphere. IONSMOKE is a technology that was developed by EBSmoke. Their technology is currently used today in the food industry. We worked with them in a collaborative project to scale up their technology in the malting process for peating. The technology works basically by charging the smoke particles as it enters into the kiln to make the smoke adhere to the surface of the grain. It's a form of electrostatic precipitation, so it's bringing a traditional process into the 21st century. EBSmoke worked closely with us. We were able to adapt that technology in our kiln. Once we adapted that technology, we carried out multiple trials and tests. We have seen a 30 to 40% reduction in our peat consumption, and also working closely with the SWRI, the Scottish Whisky Research Institute, to validate our phenolic compounds, our flavour profile, that we haven't had an adverse effect or impact on that. What we also find with the system is repeatability, consistency, which was in the past a challenge. Now we're getting much more repeatable results. There's a real urgency in the industry to reduce our peat consumption right across all the maltsters and our customers in Scotland and in Ireland as well. How we can reduce our impact on the environment, and in this case, how do we reduce our impact on bogs, peatlands. This technology, this approach helps us to achieve that, which is a win-win for the environment, for our customers, everybody involved in the whole supply chain.